Good morning, everybody. Today's video, or actually I'm going to be filming this over the course of several different days, but I'm going to be trying my subscribers' Starbucks orders / my Instagram followers' Starbucks orders, because I asked you guys what you ordered from Starbucks, and I'm going to try, as not like all of them because there were so many responses. But I've already tried a few of them, so I'm not going to obviously retry any that I've already tried before. I'm going to try the ones that I think seem intriguing or seem very specific to that person. So when I get to the window, I'm going to pick one, and then yeah, we're going to try it out. And by the way, today is Friday, so my plan is to do this over the course of 1 week. So I will be trying 7 Starbucks drinks. Okay, I'm pulling up to Starbucks right now. Let me just get in line, so I'm sure it's gonna be long. Oh, it's not long, crap. Let me real quick pull up something to order. Oh crap, there's like only one other car. Okay. I'll have to be swift. Okay. There's not many people in line, so I need to hurry. Okay, I'm gonna try Liv Huck's. Her Starbucks order is a white chocolate mocha frappuccino, add Java chips, tastes like an Oreo. Splendid. I hope that this is actually really good and that it tastes just like an Oreo. The lady in front of me is like hardcore staring at me right now. It's hilarious. Funny. So yes, white chocolate mocha frappuccino, add Java chips. Hopefully it tastes like an Oreo, because that is something that I can definitely get behind. I wonder what size I should get. I think I'll just do a grande across the board, because a tall is too small if I like it. I'm gonna want a grande size. So I'm just gonna go for a grande for all of them, unless it really seems a little sketchy, then I won't. But this one sounds like I might like it. I do like frappuccinos regularly, so I've never had this one before. Can I do a grande white chocolate mocha frappuccino, add Java chips?
Yeah. You said a grande?
Yes, please.
Okay. Anything else?
That'll be it.
Alright, $5.57. Pull it up.
Thank you. Okay.
That's what I'm waiting on.
Thank you so much.
And here's your receipt that tells you the balance on the card.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, hello. You're in the wrong lane, Missy. Okay, this is what it looks like. It looks like exactly what I ordered, so here we go. It's really good. I don't think it tastes like an Oreo though. So, assuming they made this correctly, it tastes like I would assume white chocolate mocha would taste like. The Java chips in it are really good. It just kind of tastes like a white chocolate mocha with extra chips in it, if that makes sense. Not like an Oreo. Great, he's parking next to me. Oh gosh. Not bad though. If I had to rate this, eight out of 10. 8 out of 10. I like it. I actually probably would order this again. I really, really like it. So, good job. I really like that one. Creepily pulling away from the guy that was next to me. Hey guys, it is Saturday, so I'm on day 2 of trying your favorite Starbucks orders. And we're pulling into Starbucks now. So yesterday's was good. Like, the more I drank it, the more I liked it. So I actually might order that again sometime. I really liked it. So I gotta pull up today's order really quick. Oh, hello. Someone's backing out. I have these screenshotted in order. Now, more than one person said this one, and I don't know if it's like a secret menu item or what, and what it's supposed to taste like, but it's a vanilla bean frappuccino with pumps of raspberry. Like, one person says 1 pump, one says 2 pumps, but I'm chicken, so I'm gonna do the 1 pump one, and then we'll see. Oh, pink. If it's a vanilla bean with raspberry in it, it might be come out like a pink color.
Hello and welcome to Starbucks. Mark, how can I help you today?
Yeah, can I get a grande vanilla bean frappuccino with a pump of raspberry?
Okay, grande vanilla bean cream frappuccino with 1 pump of raspberry. Anything else for you today?
That'll be it.
All right, I'll have it ready for you.
Thank you. It's kind of exciting.
Do you want your receipt, ma'am?
Nope, that's it.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you so much. Gotta try this really quick.
How do you know I'm working?
I know everything, Brian.
Friday, June 7th.
I'm not sure what to think about this. It almost tastes like cotton candy. And I think someone put it tastes like cotton candy.
I'm off.
Okay. I thought it was going to be pink because I assumed that for some reason I thought raspberry syrup was going to be like pink. So I thought they made it wrong. But I can definitely taste it. But I really like this too. Like a lot. Yeah, I really like this, you guys. It tastes like, definitely like the vanilla bean frappuccino, but it has that like aftertaste of raspberry. And I bet if I would have put 2 pumps in, it would have been like a Bam cotton candy. So I don't know if I really would have liked the 2 pumps, but this is really, really good. This is like a, I'd say a 9 out of a 10. I think I like it just a little bit more than yesterday's, but barely. But it's so good. Okay, today is day 3. Today is Sunday, and we're in Minneapolis or St. Paul, and I'm trying to find a Starbucks. We've gone to so many today, and there's no drive-through, so I have to record this, walk inside to get it, and bring it back to the car. So I'll just let you guys know what today's is. Today's is, they say venti, but I'm not gonna get a venti because I'm scared. So I'm gonna do a grande, but it's an iced coffee with vanilla, add cream. And then it says, just trust me, haha. Hopefully they're not being sarcastic. So that's what I'm gonna go and get right now, and I'll be right back. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna mix it up. So again, grande iced coffee, no classic, vanilla with cream. Here we go. I'm really nervous. Ugh.
Mom did. She taught me how to look.
I feel like people would like this if they liked real coffee. I like that fake coffee where it's like sweetened like 19,000 times.
No. No.
It's not sweet enough for me at all.
Now look it.
I don't trust you anymore. No, I'm just kidding.
Mine's bigger, see?
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna drink it because I obviously bought it, but it's just not sweet enough for me. Otherwise, it's okay. I feel like if you like real coffee, you'd really like this. It's just not, I need it like super, I'm a super sweet coffee drinker, so this is definitely way the other end of my like comfort level as far as coffee goes. Alright guys, today is Monday, it's Memorial Day, and we're on day 4 of the trying your favorite Starbucks drinks challenge, or whatever I'm going to call this video. I'm actually really excited about today's drink because it just sounds refreshing. Where is it? It is a strawberry refresher made with 1/2 lemonade. I have had the strawberry acai refresher before, but I've never heard of it being mixed with lemonade. But this seems to be very popular among you people. So I'm gonna try this one today, and it's raining right now. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this one. I have to order it inside, so whatever. But yeah, let's go.
Mom, can I?
Refresher made with half lemonade.
Half water,
Half lemonade.
half lemonade. You want
Yes.
lemonade? All right. You said strawberry acai.
Yes. Acai, half lemonade. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. This is everything. 10. So good. Alright guys, today is, what's today? Tuesday? And I'm pulling into Starbucks. I'm really nervous to order this one because I couldn't find it, and then I realized it was probably on the secret menu, and it is. But it is a hot chocolate frappuccino. I had no idea this even existed, but a few of you did know that it existed. I'm way too light. So I have to actually read the recipe right there off to the person in the window. So this should be very interesting.
You're gonna do it too.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. You're scared. Anyway, I hope it's really good because it sounds like it would be good. And if it's good, I might get this all the time. But I just don't like having to explain the recipe. I wish they had like a secret menu like posted somewhere where they could just read off of it, but maybe they can't do that. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's pretty. I hope this tastes good. This is so good, you guys. Like 10, 11, 12. It's like frozen hot chocolate. Like if you guys have ever had the Dunkin' frozen hot chocolate, it tastes kind of like that, but it's so much better. I don't even know. It tastes so good. If you guys want to try this and you couldn't hear me order it, it's a chocolate chip cream frappuccino. Add pumps of vanilla depending on what size you get. So I think 2 pumps for tall, 3 for grande, 4 for venti. And then blend in whipped cream, and then whipped cream and mocha sauce on top. And oh, it's so good, you guys. Alright guys, I have to film on my phone today. Today is Wednesday. It's the day before the last day. And today's drink is an iced drink. It is a grande. I'm just kind of doing all grandes. Grande iced vanilla sweet cream cold brew with extra cream. Yeah, hopefully I like it. I'm not really sure what to expect from this drink, but we'll see.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. My name is Anna. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a grande iced vanilla sweet cream cold brew with extra cream?
Right, you want extra cream, and that was venti, right?
Grande.
Grande, okay. What else can I get for you?
Can I also do a birthday cake pop?
Yeah, what else can I get for you?
That'll be it.
All right, your total is $6.
Okay, here it is. It looks like the color of coffee that I normally drink, but we'll see. Wow. That's really good, you guys. I didn't think I was gonna like it, I'll be honest. I did not think I was gonna like that. And it's good. It's like, I don't know. It's really good. It just tastes like, it kind of, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like whenever I make hot coffee with vanilla creamer and like I poured it over ice or something, because I really sweeten my coffee with a lot of creamer, and that's exactly what this tastes like, but cold. 10 out of 10. Excellent. This is amazing. Like 2 days of really good coffee. I don't know why I'm so surprised. I typically think that, I don't know if iced coffees or if they're as sweet as frappuccinos, maybe that's why I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but holy crap. This is maybe the cold brew has something to do with it too. I'm not sure if cold brew is better or sweeter. Yes, this is so good, you guys. I really recommend this one. Like if you like iced coffee, I would say if you don't want it as sweet, just don't get extra cream, but that is, thank you person, I forget your Instagram name, but holy crap, thank you for recommending that. Okay, I've set my phone up here. My camera is like incognito, I can't find it. But today's my last day of Starbucks. I already went through the drive-thru because I didn't want to hold my phone and I was trying to figure out what the drink was. I knew that my spray tan, you guys, like, I don't spray tan my face. This is what I look like when I have no makeup on. When I have a spray tan, it looks gross, but this drink is the Caramel Ribbon Crunch Frappuccino. A lot of you guys, like most of you, said this, and I think it's because I think it's new. I've never seen it before, and so that's why I was like looking for it on the secret menu, but it's actually on the menu, and it looks like there's whipped cream in it right here. So I like caramel. I don't like a ton of caramel, so that could be the issue here. But there's also, can you guys see that? There's like, where's the camera? Oh, right there. Oh my gosh. I swear I don't like filming on my phone. Whatever, I'm over it. Oh, there's like little crunchy things on top. So here we go. Ooh, that is extra caramel.
Can I try?
I'll let you try some whenever we get home. Okay. What are you doing back there, Aniston? That is super caramel, you guys. It's good. It's extremely sweet, very caramelly. I don't think I would ever order this again.
If it's very caramelly, let me have.
You like when it's very caramelly? Hold on, I'll give you some in a second. It's super sweet. It's okay. I would say like 8 out of 10. I think it's a good drink. I just don't think I would ever order it again. Unless I was like in a super mood for caramel. Yeah, it's okay. If you like really sweet stuff and I think maybe like a caramel pie, if you've ever had that, this is kind of what it tastes like. I'm not sure what Ribbon Crunch is. I'm not familiar. And I can't look it up because I'm using my phone, but I'm thinking there's like a Ribbon Crunch pie. Maybe that's what the stuff on top is. I don't know. But yeah, it's okay. It's good. It's just kind of extra, like even for me. But yeah, that's going to conclude this video. I hate that I have to end the video looking like this, but it is what it is. I'm pretty sure you can see my tape and extensions like hanging out of my hair, so that's cute. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My favorite drink by far was the one from yesterday, the vanilla sweet cream cold brew with extra cream. So good. New favorite. I'm gonna order that probably every time I come to Starbucks now because I loved it. It was so good. Definitely that one. I also really loved the first one. The
Cloud.
I didn't like the cloud from that one video. She's still stuck on the cloud from my video of ordering what the person in front of me ordered. Oh my gosh, you guys.
And she got 2 orders of cheese balls.
Yep, and I got 2 orders of cheese balls. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link that video down below. Loved the very first drink that I got, the white chocolate frappuccino with the Java chips, and the what was the other one? The cotton candy, I think, frappuccino. That one was really good too. It's like extra sweet. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have no idea how long this video is going to be, so I'm just going to go ahead and end it now. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!